Once upon a time, in the whimsical land of Eldoria, there lived a friendly dragon named Sparkle. Sparkle was not an ordinary dragon. He had a magical sneeze that could cause unexpected enchantments. The villagers adored Sparkle, and he became the guardian of Eldoria, using his enchanting sneezes to bring joy to everyone. One sunny day, the mischievous wizard Grumblethorn decided to capture Sparkle and harness the power of his magical sneeze for his own wicked purposes. Grumblethorn cast a spell, trapping Sparkle inside a magical bubble. The dragon's sneezes were now confined, and Grumblethorn began causing chaos by using the enchantments for his own amusement. Eldoria fell into disarray as the once happy village faced unpredictable transformations. Flowers turned into butterflies, trees sprouted candy canes, and the river water bubbled with laughter. The villagers were puzzled and worried, not knowing how to undo Grumblethorn's mischievous magic. Meanwhile, Sparkle was determined to break free from the magical bubble. With every attempt to escape, his sneezes created more enchantments, unintentionally adding to the chaos in Eldoria. Yet, Sparkle's heart was pure, and he only wished to use his magic for good. One day, a brave group of children from Eldoria, led by a girl named Lily, discovered Sparkle's predicament. Lily, known for her kindness and resourcefulness, devised a plan to free Sparkle and stop Grumblethorn's mischief. The children embarked on a quest to find the legendary golden feather, rumored to possess the power to break any magical barrier. Along their journey, they encountered talking animals, friendly fairies, and tricky puzzles. With teamwork and determination, they overcame each obstacle, getting closer to the golden feather. Finally, after a series of adventures, the children reached the enchanted grove, where the golden feather was guarded by a wise old owl. The owl recognized the purity in Lily's heart and granted her the golden feather. Lily, holding the feather, rushed back to Sparkle, and with a gentle touch, she broke the magical bubble. Freed at last, Sparkle unleashed a mighty sneeze, but this time, instead of causing chaos, his magical breath reversed all of Grumblethorn's enchantments. Eldoria was restored to its joyful state, and the villagers celebrated the children's bravery. Grumblethorn, realizing the error of his ways, was transformed into a bumbling bunny by one final sneeze from Sparkle. The bunny wizard hopped away, leaving Eldoria in peace. From that day forward, Sparkle continued to use his magical sneeze for good, bringing happiness and laughter to the land of Eldoria. Lily and her friends were hailed as heroes, and the tale of the magic sneezing dragon became a cherished story told to generations of children, reminding them of the power of kindness and the magic that lies within unexpected places.